Laynie and welcome to the channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope your week has been fantastic thus far. Today's video is going to be a little extra special. I want to do a little giveaway for my subscribers. I have over the last year really gotten some regular return viewers. The channel has grown. It's all so exciting. This has been a labor of love for me for a very long time. I believe I started my channel in 2014, so 10 years ago. I may not be a huge YouTube channel, but honestly, that has never been the goal for me. I just want a place that is mine, a place to visit with other people who are into the same things that I am, because honestly, in my everyday life, I have some really fantastic friends, but very few of them are into beauty and fragrance in the way that I am. So I just love having a place to connect with other people who enjoy this part of the world as well. So I am thankful and grateful for this outlet. Honestly, I look forward to filming and putting a video out every single week. It really is my little me time away from work, away from being mom. This is my little corner of the world, and I am very, very thankful for it, for you guys. Honestly, I just love my subscribers here. We have a pretty darn fantastic little community formed. So if you enjoy fragrance content, beauty content, and a little bit of lifestyle content sprinkled on top, make sure you click that subscribe button, join the fam. You won't regret it. And yeah, let's just jump on into this giveaway. Truly, I am doing this because this is the giving season, and I feel like I get so much out of this channel for myself that I want to give back to you guys, my subscribers, because truly, this channel wouldn't exist if it wasn't for you guys. The only restrictions are that you do have to be a USA resident. Just for shipping purposes, I really do need to keep this in the country that I live in. So I've got a mixture of some secondhand items, some new items in my giveaway, and I just want to state that in case people aren't into secondhand fragrance items, then this giveaway is not for you. Wanted to be upfront about it. I personally am totally down with secondhand. I buy secondhand fragrances all the time online because I love a good deal. And this channel, it just fills my cup, so I want to fill your cup. And let's talk what's in the giveaway. Okay, so first of all, I have a little assortment of Scentbird tubes here. I am most certainly also going to gift the Scentbird travel container so you're able to use the fragrance tubes. Really mainly niche fragrances in here. There is Confessions of a Rebel, Etat Libre d'Orange, I never say that right. There is Room 1035, Juliet Has a Gun. There's a nice variety in here. I honestly love having variety in my collection, so you're gonna see a whole variety in here. I'm hoping there's at least something in here that the winner is going to enjoy. I also have a pouch full of trial size. In here, there's Juliana's perfume, there's Montal, there's Sniff, there's Stella McCartney. There's a little variety in here as well. I also have a travel tin of trial size sprays from Deadcool. Honestly, I really love that these come in a tin. Like, I love that. I feel like that really gives you an experience versus other brands who sell samples. So way to go, Deadcool. I really like this vibe. One that I think is really awesome because it's quickly becoming one of the top houses in my entire collection, Letta Fragrances. So in here we have Isla Coco, Vanilla Nera, and 22 Oris, which is absolutely a favorite in my collection. I definitely think someone is really going to enjoy that. Next in the giveaway, we have two hair and body mists by Pacifica. This is Indian Coconut Nectar and Island Vanilla. This is definitely a much loved fragrance out there. Another body spray by Bath & Body Works. This is Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. One evening I went on a walk with my friend and I was like, oh my gosh, you smell so good. What are you wearing? It was this, so I had to pick it up. It truly does smell incredible. And then lastly, as far as full-size fragrance goes, this is Babe Power by Missguided. I think the bottle is super cute because it looks like a little soda bottle. And honestly, I personally do think it kind of smells like a soda. Babe Power has notes of cherry, pink pepper, orange blossom, jasmine peony, and then cotton candy and vanilla in the base. Absolutely right up my alley. So I hope one of you enjoys this giveaway. I just wanted to put a little something together that I hope one of you will really enjoy. Again, thank you for being here. I truly appreciate you. So if you want to get entered in this giveaway, then make sure you just comment down below. Tell me something you are grateful for this year and then something you are looking forward to next year. I would love to hear it. I would love to get to know you better. So just comment down below. For any international subscribers, I know I have a couple from Canada. I am grateful that you are here. I will leave this up for a couple weeks. Then I will throw everybody's name who entered, who has a USA mailing address, into a online scrambler, pull one lucky winner, and I will get it all packaged up securely and shipped out to you. I have to say Merry Christmas because I won't see you until after Christmas. So I hope you guys have a blessed, wonderful Christmas. As always, you guys, per usual, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye-bye.